We are back with another property tour, and this week we are at the heart of Sahuarita, Arizona, and that is Madera Highlands. And this is Meritage Homes' newest project, and it's called Arbor at Madera Highlands. And this home is my favorite here so far. This home is massive, so it's a single story. You don't get any obstruction of any of the mountain views, the Sahuarita mountains that you have just right around the corner. And the home we're going to be looking at today is 4 beds, 3 baths, over 2,000 square feet of beauty. Now, check out this kitchen I have right behind me. I mean, it's just gorgeous. Now, my favorite part about the home is the master bedroom and the master restroom. I mean, the bathroom is just absolutely gorgeous. The kitchen is gorgeous. You're gonna really enjoy this property tour. Now, if this is your first time with me, I just want to stop right there and say welcome again. My name is Vanessa, your Tucson real estate agent, and really your resource here for all things real estate. So whether you're buying, selling, investing, even relocating, feel free to contact me. I'll be happy to help you every step of the way. Now, feel free to call me, text me, email me, drop a comment down below. Let me know where you are in the process, and I'll be happy to help you in any way. Now, feel free to subscribe to this channel. This helps support the channel, and it really motivates me to continue doing more videos like this one. Now, we want to really reach out to other buyers and sellers that want to move here to Tucson, Arizona. So feel free to like this video so it can help out with the YouTube algorithm and we can reach as many people as we can. Now, other than that, let's go ahead and get started. This home is sitting up on Madera Highlands with one of the best views here in the whole community. We're looking at 4 bedrooms, 3 baths, a 3-car garage, and 2,342 square feet. The whole community consists of single-story homes, so you won't get any obstruction with your views of the Sahuarita Mountains. Arbor is a gated community, which only a select few homes here are gated at Madera. You have the Continental School District here as your home district. For all of the families out there that have kids from kindergarten through 8th grade, Continental is an A school. The kitchen here is a wow factor for me. It has so much storage space, and this home has more storage than most of the homes that were constructed here in the Arbor area. So this home is new construction, it's move-in ready, and other than that, enjoy the tour and welcome to your new home. Thank you so much for watching this video. Click on the video to the left to see a new video suggested by me. Make sure to follow me on social media and subscribe to this channel, which really supports me in creating more content like this one. Until next time.